Everybody just take a deep breath. Just take a deep breath. What up, man? It's your boy Money Mac coming back to you again from the set, bro. And just wanted to have a little conversation, man, about the state of the sneaker culture, right? Ain't no sneaker reviews here today, ain't no electronics, ain't no toys, but I must do my due diligence to put out like what I think the state of the sneaker culture is. This ain't gonna be a long video. It's not gonna be a long video. I say that, but it probably will be. But stay tuned. Hear me out. Just hear me out, right? So, there's been a lot of noise, let's say, going around the internet talking about, oh, the sneaker culture is dead. Oh, reselling is dead. First of all, no, it's not. Two, no, it's not. But there is some restructuring of how things are done when it pertains to the sneaker culture and reselling and being able to cop whatever you want when you want it, right? So, number one, reselling is never going away. Reselling is not a thing specifically for the sneaker culture. Reselling has been going on for years. And guess what? You can't stop it. Now, what could happen potentially with reselling is it slows up. And the market is doing what it's doing now. The market is going down, right? And that is simply because of economics. Point blank period. Hate to bust your bubble, whatever. Like sneakers are, we've seen a boom, or I say a resurgence, but we've seen a boom in just reselling and shoes selling out every time they drop, right? And that was 2000, 2001, 2000, what was it? It was 4 years ago. What am I talking about right now? I'm so amped up on this conversation, I can't even get my years right. So it was 2020, 2021, and 2022. There we go. See, we worked through it. But we got it though. That's all that matters. Stop laughing at me. It's not funny. That was a boom in the sneaker market. Why? Because people had expendable income and most people were still sitting at home, and all the shoes went on sale online because the stores were closed due to COVID. Now, I remember prior to that when it was tough to get sneakers on release day, but it wasn't unobtainable to get sneakers on release day. Now, if we look back before that, let's say 2017, 2016, 2015, man, there's so many sneakers that are going for crazy amounts of money now that they were just sitting at stores and at the outlets, and people were picking them up for $50, $60, right? That kind of stuff isn't happening anymore because of the way the market is and the way the culture has shifted. The culture is going to do what it does, right? And I guess the big thing is now is, oh, Nike saturated the market so bad with Jordan 1s that nobody wants them anymore. Okay, it's partly true. But the other part of that is normal evolution. Do you really not know how old Jordan 1 is? Like, the shoe came out in 84. 85 if you really, but that's a long time ago. That's 39 years ago. Don't check me on my math. Just listen to what I'm saying, okay? That's an old sneaker, right? The Jordan 1 will never die. The hype may die. But it's just like any other shoe that we as a culture put on this pedestal that it is the greatest shoe. You can never go out of style. You have to get it in every colorway. until you get it in every colorway and you don't want them anymore. Now, that's our fault. The other part of that is Nike's fault for giving us subtle changes in colorways to make you think that you absolutely have to have that just because it's a different shade of red or blue or whatever color. Not necessarily all Nike's fault on that, because if I, as Nike, know that you're going to buy everything that I put out, then there will be no effort in what I'm trying to do, because you're just going to buy it anyway. We did this to the culture. We did this to the Jordan 1. And it happened already with the Nike Foamposite. It was the same way. And those Foamposites was always $200 plus. Always $200 plus. And guess what? Every time they dropped, lines were outside the store. Everybody had to have the phones. Everybody had to have the phones. And all of a sudden, just like that, they was dead. Now, people still have their stock of Foamposites. They never got rid of them. They know it's going to come back. So that brings me to the other part of this conversation, that the sneaker culture will never die. It never will. Just certain nuances that is intertwined within the culture will go away. Just like any other culture, there are things that you or some people don't like about the culture. It's a culture. It's a mix of a whole bunch of things with one common thing: sneakers. Of course, there's going to be some things in the culture that you don't like, or other people don't like, or other people take advantage of. It's just normal. That is the way humans work. You can't make everybody happy. It's not going to happen. I know. It sounds like I'm on my soapbox, but trust me, it's like, I've been buying sneakers long enough to know that everything comes back. It's a vicious circle, not a cycle, a circle. Everything comes back. And what we have to do as stewards of the culture is say, hey, calm down. Take the culture for what it is. Don't take out of the culture and not put back into the culture. That's what we should be charged with as people within the culture right now. Right now, it's crazy to say that the culture is not what it used to be, but the culture is so much better now, because there is a very, very diverse thing going on in the culture. You don't hear about the things outside, the outside noise, racism, all of this other stuff in the sneaker culture. We like what we like, we hype what we like, or if somebody don't like it, you get the right person to hype it, then it's gonna go. That's the culture. And that's what's so good about the culture, is because everybody has their own spin on the culture. It's never gonna go away, because people always want to wear something fly on their feet. It's because of the groundwork that was laid before, back in the late 80s and the 90s. To now, it's not common to see somebody 40, my age, 50, possibly 60, rocking a pair of fresh kicks. Do they get funny looks? Sometimes. But most times, if people don't know you and they see your kicks are fly, you're going to get the head nod, like, or they going to give you big ups. They going to be like, hey, yo, them some fly kicks. Them shits is dope. Yo, love your shoes. That's the culture, man. That is the culture. So I'm going to get off my soapbox, man. I just wanted to bring that to, the few people that are listening to the set, because we ain't big yet. But we gonna get there. And I want to thank all my subscribers again, man, for checking in with your boy, man. Because, hey, I'm just here. I do this because I want to do it. I'm not doing it to be some YouTuber that, nah, I'm just doing this because I like doing this. I did my job, bro. I've served my purpose. Okay, maybe some of my purpose. Hell, I don't know what my purpose is, but I'm retired. I did 23 years in the military, bro. I'm good. So I do this because I like doing it, not because, oh, I just need a YouTube check. No. But if somebody takes the time out to listen to what I'm saying, I am much appreciated, because you can learn something from anybody. And I've learned a couple things from people in the comments. Hey, it's all for the culture, man. It's all for the culture. Let me know what y'all think, though. Am I crazy? Am I off my rocker? Or am I on point? Or somewhere in the middle? Let me know in the comments, man. I know this is probably a little long video, but I've seen longer videos on YouTube. People that just didn't make no sense at all. So thanks for rocking with your boy, man. Hit that like and subscribe button for more awesome content. Bruh, culture ain't dead, bruh. It's the people that's in the culture that's making it seem like it's dead. Culture ain't going nowhere, bruh. I've been buying sneakers, rocking sneakers, killing the fits, all of that stuff since, I don't know, since I can remember. Ain't going nowhere. Trust and believe that. The culture is strong. Some silhouettes may go away, but guess what? They gonna come back. That's for sure. It's your boy, man. And I'm gone. Peace.